Hey everyone, welcome back to Gigabits. Today, we're diving into SpyFU, one of the most popular tools for competitive research and SEO analysis. If you're a business owner, marketer, or anyone looking to gain insights into your competitors' online strategies, SpyFU could be a game changer. I've been testing it out for a bit, so let's break down how it works, what features it offers, and whether it's worth the investment. First, let's talk about what SpyFU is all about. At its core, SpyFU is a competitive intelligence tool designed to help you understand your competitors' search engine marketing strategies, both organic and paid. It allows you to see which keywords your competitors are ranking for, which ads they're running, and how they're performing in search engine results. Whether you're looking to boost your SEO rankings or optimize your PPC campaigns, SpyFU gives you the data to make informed decisions. One of the standout features of SpyFU is its keyword research tool. You can type in any domain, whether it's your own site or a competitor's, and see which keywords they're ranking for, how much traffic those keywords are driving, and the competition level for those terms. This is really useful if you want to target similar keywords or find gaps in your own SEO strategy. You can also view keyword trends over time, helping you track how keywords perform over weeks, months, or even years. Another powerful feature is the PPC competitor analysis. SpyFU lets you see which paid search ads your competitors are running, how much they're spending on ads, and what keywords they're bidding on. This is invaluable if you're running paid advertising campaigns and want to know how you stack up against the competition. You can also get detailed insights into ad copy, allowing you to optimize your own ads for better performance. SpyFU's backlink analysis is also worth mentioning. Backlinks are one of the most important factors for SEO, and with SpyFU you can see where your competitors are getting their backlinks from. This gives you the opportunity to build a similar backlink strategy and improve your own domain authority. You can also see how strong your competitors' backlink profiles are, so you can adjust your own efforts accordingly. One of the most convenient features of SpyFU is the Domain Overview tool, which gives you a quick snapshot of any domain's SEO performance. You can instantly see how much traffic a website is getting, the keywords it's ranking for, its backlinks, and much more. This makes it super easy to dive into competitive research without having to dig through tons of data. However, SpyFU is not without its drawbacks. First, while the tool is incredibly powerful, it can feel a bit overwhelming if you're new to SEO or digital marketing. The interface is packed with data, and it may take a little time to get used to all the metrics and reports it generates. Additionally, while SpyFU offers a lot of insights into paid ads, it's not as robust as some other tools when it comes to deep social media analysis or content strategy. Also, keep in mind that SpyFU isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. While it's excellent for SEO and PPC insights, if you need help with other areas of your digital marketing strategy, you might need to use additional tools. It also requires a subscription, which may be on the pricier side depending on your needs. So, is SpyFU worth it? If you're serious about improving your SEO and PPC strategies and want to stay ahead of the competition, SpyFU is definitely a tool worth considering. The detailed keyword research, competitor analysis, and backlink insights can really give you a competitive edge. However, it's more geared toward businesses with a solid marketing budget who are looking to take their strategies to the next level. That's my review of SpyFU. Have you used it, or are you thinking about trying it out? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want more reviews on SEO and digital marketing tools, make sure to subscribe to Gigabits for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.